15. A frictionless pendulum of length 3 meters swings with an amplitude of 10 degrees. At its maximum displacement, the potential energy of the pendulum is 10 joules. What is the kinetic energy of the pendulum when its potential energy is 5 joules? A pendulum motion can reasonably be modeled as a system without non-conservative forces. Therefore, the total mechanical energy is 10 joules, because at the maximum displacement, all of its energy is potential. As the pendulum swings toward the center, the gravitational potential energy reduces and the kinetic energy increases, so that the total mechanical energy is conserved. So, if the potential energy is 5 joules, the kinetic energy is also 5 joules, and the correct answer is option B.